Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the essential steps to fix a crashing computer, from quick checks to deeper troubleshooting. Whether it's for Windows 10 or Windows 11, this tip will help you stabilize your system and get back on track. So what you need to do in here is just press on Windows plus R on your keyboard and just type in CMD. Click on OK, and this will be open. Now you can just go or write this command in here, SF, and then scan now. Hit on enter, and then this will scan your PC for any error. So if there's any error in the system, you can just run this command. If you find there's error in here, you can run this command in here. Then you can restore or reset your PC. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.